chiropractic isn't just about the crack.
We all know that chiropractic is a physical modality, that it is really good at treating pain and discomfort, particularly along the spine. But there's much more to chiropractic than just the physical component.
It's a philosophy, it's an art, it's a science. It's a beautiful way to perceive the body, symptoms, signs, illness, disease. And it offers a really great perspective on health and well-being and how to manage that.
Where is this problem coming from? Do you have like a sore elbow because your elbow is sore, or have you got a sore elbow because the nerves from your neck are compressed?
We're adjusting people to physically improve that one area, but we're also adjusting people to create more integration and cohesiveness.